Hello cuties! Welcome back to our channel. In last video, we saw the letter V. In this video, we are going to see the letter W. The sound of letter W and few words that starts with letter W. This is a capital W. This is a lowercase w. And the sound of letter W is W. The sound of letter W is W. Come, let's see few words that starts with letter W. W for watch. Watch. W for watch. W for water. Water. W for water. W for wolf. Wolf. W for wolf. W for watermelon. Watermelon. W for watermelon. W for whale. Whale. W for whale. W for world. World. W for world. W for wheel. Wheel. W for wheel. W for wall. Wall. W for wall. So, now you all know the sound of letter W. Come, let's say it together. The sound of letter W is W. Let's see the next letter X in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please click on to the like button and share button. Do subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.